So you just got the notification that one of your AirTags battery is running low. Yes, it has been that long since you bought that AirTag, and now it's time to replace that battery. But worry not, because in this video, I'm gonna show you how. So grab your not so shiny AirTag, press down, and rotate counterclockwise. Now that is to the left for those of you who are not good with your clocks. Now right away we find the battery inside. Take that out. Make sure you dispose of it correctly and that you don't leave it laying around for your children or pets to swallow. Now the battery is a CR2032 and I'm gonna leave a link down below if you wanna order it from Amazon directly. I already had a few of them laying around, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Then we insert it back the same way that the old battery was in, with the writing facing us, and we grab the cap, push down, and rotate clockwise, or to the right. The AirTag is gonna beep once to let you know that a new battery has been detected, but you also wanna go back into the Find My app to make sure that you are not getting that low battery notification any longer. And you wanna test to make sure that the AirTag is working. Simply select the AirTag, then press where it says play sound, and if you're able to hear a sound coming from your AirTag, that means that it is working properly.
Nice.
And there you have it. Simple as that. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to clean 8-bit.